Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the differences between alligators and crocodiles. Are you ready? Let's talk. So, alligators have a broad U-shaped snout. This helps them with cracking open shellfish like turtles. Crocodiles have pointed V-shaped snouts, which is better suited for catching fish or other prey. The teeth visibility. Alligators, when their mouth is closed, you typically can't see their teeth because their upper jaw is wider than the other lower jaw. Crocodiles, even when their mouth is closed, you cannot see their fourth tooth. On the bottom jaw, it's sticking out over the upper lip because their upper lip is lower jaw than the same width. Their habitat. Alligators primarily found in freshwater environments like rivers, waters, and swamps. They're mainly in the southeastern U.S. and China. Crocodiles can live in both saltwater and freshwater. They're found in tropical regions around the world, including Africa, Australia, and the Americas. Behavior. Alligators tend to be more shy and less aggressive towards humans compared to crocodiles. Crocodiles known for their more aggressive and can be a threat to humans as they are more territorial. 5. Size. Alligators generally grow to be smaller, around 13 to 15 feet, with the largest on record being 19 feet. Crocodiles, some species, like the saltwater crocodile, can grow up to 23 feet or more. The differences between skin color. Alligators usually darker, often a blackish gray. Crocodiles typically lighter in color and more olive or brownish hue. So that ends up the story. Goodbye. And this is a man in Thailand who puts his head in an alligator's mouth. These alligators are usually trained not to eat the man. Bye guys. See you later.